Welcome. I'm at the beginning trailhead of a new trail for me. It's always exciting to step out onto a new trailhead. I never know what I'm going to find. I love inspecting all the new plants and learning their names. I love the possibility that I might see any kind of wildlife. Whatever kind of day I'm having just always gets another notch better when I step out into the woods. When I step into the woods, under the canopy, it seems so mysterious. And I just love the sounds of everything that's alive in there.
This is a great little trail. Got a little mud this morning. Quite some storms last night, but can't complain. A day out in the woods is better than a day indoors anytime. I'm loving the size of these. I think it's a tulip tree. I'll have to check that out. Great leaf. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I love wildflowers. This is gorgeous.